Hi everyone, today I want to teach you the th sound. As you know, th is a consonant sound and th have two types sound, the th unvoiced and th voiced sound. Okay, now we teach you the first th unvoiced sound. With th unvoiced sound, you put your tongue between your teeth and then you blow out air between your tongue and your teeth. Okay, do it, follow me. Okay, you feel the air funnel in the top of teeth. Now do it in 3 seconds. Okay, with your teeth and voice sound. Okay, now we practice with the teeth and voice sound at the beginning of word. Tank, thick, thund, third day, think. Okay, teeth and voice sound in the middle of words. Anything, basement, basement, aesthetic, mouthwash, toothpick. With the teeth and voice sound at the end of words. Base, pause, beneath, north, south. Okay, that all is the teeth and voice sound. Remember, teeth and voice sound, you put your tongue between the teeth and air follow in the top of teeth. Now we move the teeth voice sound. With teeth voice sound, it is the same teeth and voice sound, but you adding the voice. Okay. Remember, when you make the teeth voice sound, you hear the voice and you making it the same in the teeth and voice sound. Okay, now do it, follow me. Okay, you feel have a sound. Okay, that is the teeth voice sound. Now practice with the teeth voice sound at the beginning of word. The, that, they, them, there, this, those, the. Okay, with teeth voice sound in the middle of word. Nothing, another, neither, with, mother, northern. Okay, now the teeth voice in the end of word. Smooth, bathe, breathe. Okay, that's the own of teeth voice sound. Remember, when you make the teeth voice sound, you put the tongue between the teeth and make the blow the air in the top of it, and you have a sound when you make it. Oh, that all. And now we practice with the phrase and sentences on teeth, voice and unvoiced sound. This and that, a tablecloth, winter clothing, her king is smooth, 30-day note, a famous author, thread the needle, a thoughtful gift, thunder and lightening. Okay, it is the own teeth, voice and unvoiced sound. I think and I believe you can do it. Try any more anytime, and I pick it anywhere. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.